guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as always, man, I always appreciate all the love and support, man. I am currently on my way to the car show. Well, first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna meet up with some of the guys from the club. So shout out to AZHT, you know what I'm saying? That's the gang. You already know what it is, dog. Hey, for real though, we're on our way to the, well, I'm on my way to the show, and I'm gonna meet up with the clique. And then I'm gonna make sure, man, if you guys are out there and you guys know that, you know, we do this show every Saturday, the Scottsdale Pavilions. The only time I'm not there is if I'm in a different show, or I'm out of state in another show, or if I'm in your city in another show. You know what I mean? I might be in a show. Either way, you guys, let's go ahead and skip the part of me talking, and let's go straight to the dang show, man. Let's get to the show, man. I can't wait to get to the show. You want to get to the show? I'm trying to get to the show. You trying to get to the show? Let's get to the show. Enough talking. Alright, let's take a look, bro. I wanna ask this dude real quick. Hold on. Let me ask this dude. What's up, you guys? Alright, hold up. So I'm gonna vlog everybody's cars, dude. Whose car is that? Hold up. That's your car? What did you do to that, bro, to make it sound like that? I'm guessing you straight piped it.
I just unbolted the bumper.
Okay, you guys. I hope my mic picks it up for a Kia, bro. Can you rev it?
You want to hit the grill off the grass? You want me to hit the grass?
Huh?
Hit it?
Yeah. He doesn't believe me. I said, rev it. See? He didn't believe me. I told him, I said, rev the damn car. And my man revved it. What else you got planned for it, bro? What else you got planned for it? What made you do that is the question. Are you building the car?
My answer is it's a rental.
What? Shout out to my man. Hold up a second. Hold up, bro. Hey, that's a rental, dude? He took off the fucking... Oh my God. All right, hold up. So how long do you have it for?
Until Tuesday. So.
And then are you gonna bolt it back up?
After it's gone, I'll be stuck without a car. So.
Oh damn. Okay.
I had a Harley. Got wet about 4 weeks ago.
You had a Harley? Yeah.
Harley 83, brand new when I got hit. So.
Man, thank God you're all right, bro. And now you're over here messing around with these rental cars. I like that. Hey, I got another below.
My model is loud car, no car.
Loud car or no car? Y'all heard it first. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you for letting them hear it, bro. Because if you go on Instagram or on YouTube, just look up Camaro ZLS.
I already follow you guys.
Yeah, but if you look up Camaro ZLS, that's my.
That one's yours.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on YouTube, because I'm gonna get all the cars here.
That's good, man.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. That's a rental, bro. You see how he does that? That's how you do that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's not even his.
Huh?
That's a rental.
That's a rental.
He took off the bolts off the rental. So yeah, so what he did was he took off the bolts on a rental, but I gotta give my man props, because I ain't never met anybody that would do something like that. So I'm gonna start from that side. Hold up, you guys. Let's go back over here, and we're gonna start from this side, and we'll work our way around. All right, let's get it. That's my guy right there. Alright, yo, for real, I appreciate that because those dudes showed me a lot of love. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys liked that video today. There's a lot of crazy cars here, there's still some bikes, but at the same time, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep doing these, man. I'm gonna keep catching these cars. There's always something different. Like last time, that wide body Porsche was not here, and that Lambo obviously is a brand new one that wasn't here, and then that Rolls, and all these other cars. So it's pretty cool, man. So if this is your first time on my page, man, make sure you show that love. Hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that notification bell. Throw a thumbs up. Let the ads play all the way through. And check out Prime Time, man. We got more stuff coming, man. I'll holler at you guys. Hey, Dilla, Promenade up. Out. I'll see you guys.